Hi fellow viewers, to everybody, good evening. My name is Steve. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. By the way, my full name is Steve Hoong. My next necrological video is about, I think you are familiar located in Sucat, Parañaque. I'm referring to Manila Memorial Park. Okay. I know what you're thinking, and you will ask myself, Steve, you said necrological video. Why did you mention Manila Memorial Park? Is there a latest news? Actually, the answer is yes, there is a latest news. All of you know that Manila Memorial Park is the famous cemetery in whole Metro Manila. First class private cemetery in Metro Manila, not only in Parañaque City. By the way, the location is in Sucat. That is, if I'm not mistaken, that is Dr. Arcadio Santos Avenue, in between. And sakop siya ng Sucat, Parañaque. So, alam ng taga Parañaque yan. Pero, meron akong sasabihin importante. Very important to. And please share this to your fellow relatives and friends. Okay? Importante to. Ang hindi pa alam ng mga viewers na taga Plaridel, Bulacan at Dasmariñas, Cavite, meron na naman tinayo at nakabili ng memorial lot sa Plaridel, Bulacan, at ang isa ay nasa Calabarzon. Ito ay ang sakop siya ng Cavite, Dasmariñas, Cavite. Yes, totoo po yan. By the way, ang Plaridel, Bulacan is, kung dadaan kayo ng Bulacan, dadaan ng Valenzuela. Yan po ang kuan. By the way, Bulacan is under Region 3 or Central Luzon. Yan po ang kuan. Yan po ang pinaka-importanteng details. Ang Dasmariñas, Cavite, kung kayo ay of course alam niyo to, kung kayo ay Parañaque, Las Piñas, hindi kayo makakadaan ng Dasmariñas, Cavite kung hindi kayo dadaan ng Las Piñas, Muntinlupa at Parañaque para makadaan kayo diretso sa Dasmariñas, Cavite. So, yun. Yan ang napaka-importanting details. By the way, may nagtatanong sa akin, sino itong mga notable persons na nilibing sa Manila Memorial Park sa Parañaque City? Marami, actually. Did you remember yung nabaril na senator, si Benigno Ninoy Aquino Jr.? Yung supposed to be tatakbong president na na-assassinate August 21, 1983. Siya po yan. Then, ang kanyang wife ay si former Philippine President Corazon Cojuangco Aquino. Yun ang mama ni Benigno Noynoy Aquino III. Yun na-cremate. So, silang tatlo ay Manila Memorial Park, hindi sa Tarlac. Yan ang lumabas sa aming necrological findings and necrological research. Supposed to be si Noynoy, kasi doon siya na registered voter. So, ang basis nila according to registered voting area, which is Tarlac. Ang na-find na sa magkakapatid, ilibing na lang sa Manila Memorial Park, pero i-cremate. Yan ang bitter. I know this is very sorrow part. So, yan ang details. And then, aside po sa mga Aquino family, yung natanda nyo yung matinee idol dati, si Dindo Fernando, Manila Memorial Park din siya nilibing. May isa Filipino actress, Chat Silayan, anak ni Vic Silayan. Si Vic Silayan namatay 1987. Then, sumunod ang kanyang daughter. Yan ang si Chat. Next is Paquito Diaz, yung kontrabida, yung parating nakakaaway ni FPJ sa movie, Fernando Poe Jr. Oh, Paquito Diaz, papa ni Choco Diaz. So, yun. So, these are the examples, the mga noted personalities na nilibing sa Manila Memorial Park, Sukat, Parañaque. Oh. Samples lang yan, ha? How much more pa kung sa Florida, Bulacan, tsaka Las Marinas, Cavite. So, yun. So, yan ang pinaka-importante part. Nasabi ko na ang nasabi kong details. And once after I mention this video, please share it to your fellow viewers and relatives na taga doon. Kasi kung doon sila namatay, yung sa dalawang lugar na na-mention ko, pwede nyo ilibing doon. Then, depende na sa arrangement kung magkano ang per month. Kasi per month basis yata installment yung memorial at kung magbebenta sila. So, yun. Okay? So, napaka-importante itong video na ito. At before I say goodbye, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for my next necrological videos. And meron pa ako isang sasabihin. Ito, importante ito. Excuse me, pa. Ako na. Sorry, may kausap lang ako. Other notable... okay na ko. Notable famous cemeteries in the whole Philippines. Thank you so much for listening this video. Good evening.